Somebody's taking a sun bath. More blessings and teachings from nature. Just walked by this little guy. He's getting some sun after a cool evening. Walked a little bit further. And yo! There's a granddaddy. Hi, buddy. Man, he's a big boy. Ooh, he's a big boy. Look at how still and calm they are. Then just not even 2 feet away. Oopa. Hi, bud. Oh, I'm glad you're here. Thank you. Soaking up the heat from this concrete. These are common garter snakes. Oh, how I love snakes and their wonderful gifts of eating insects. Just taking a chill break and using what's available, which is, hello buddy, it's safe, which is the heat of the concrete. I also love their coiling action, which keeps them ready to move and groove if needed. Keeps them hunkered together unto themselves. This guy is just so freaking big. Wow. He must have just had a good snack. So take a lesson. And the dogs are going to scare these poor guys away. That's the world around us. Love you. Take care, you guys. Look how he's gently moving. Be good to yourselves. Let nature heal you. Let nature help you. And let nature guide you. Give you examples of how to live in harmony. To nourish yourself. And also to connect with one another. Love and blessings to you all. Keep good care.